Hey guys, it's Dio. Christmas morning. So excited. It's my favorite time of the year. Everything's super magical. I hope you guys have an amazing time with friends or family and really feel all the magic that Christmas brings. I hope your Christmas is merry and jolly. Today we're opening the NOCTA Mystery Box. I figured there's no better time to open this NOCTA Mystery Box than Christmas morning and see what Drake has for me. So it's gonna be exciting. I've been waiting to open this box. It might be a flop, it might be good. To be honest, nothing can really faze me. It's Christmas morning. Again, my favorite time of the year. We'll see what Drake has, what Santa brought for me, what Nike NOCTA has for me, and we'll see what this box is all about. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start with the sides here. Oh, there we go. So we got a little bit of paper coming in here. We got a card that says, "Thanks for securing your NOCTA Black Friday mystery box. If luck was ever gonna show up for you, we hope it was today." Here's the card. And guys, the big reveal, the moment you guys have been waiting for. We got the Hot Stepas Air Terras. I have no idea what these are gonna look like. So here's the box. To me, this is already good value. So I'm excited to see what these shoes are and what the colorway is. Okay, so here we go. The big reveal. Okay. Jeez. Let's unwrap this. Okay. Hot Stepa, white and gold colorway. Thank you, Mr. Drake. Thank you. Jeez, this is how we step in today? This is how we step in through the holidays, how we're stepping into 2026. We got the NOCTA Hot Stepas. Thank you, Mr. Drake. We hot stepping. Thank you, NOCTA. Thank you, NOCTA. Thank you. Okay, let's unbox the other one. Here we go. Here we have both of them together. Just off the top, I love the Nike gold swoosh on the toe box. The blue interior on the sole, hella tough. Who are we, Tiffany? And now you can even see the bottom, the sole of the shoe. It's like an icy glacier, which I really like as well. And overall, I just think these look mad futuristic. We got this air bubble on the side here. It's very reminiscent of a 95 or an Air Max 1. I really like this gold plating here as well. And I just think this shoe looks mad luxurious, man. These shoes are valid for real. Ooh, another detail. I'm just finding details. Right here on the inner part of the shoe, it has a bunch of Nike swooshes here at the bottom. I think that's an amazing detail. And the patterned leather with the NOCTA symbol on the tongue is just hella clean. So I'm happy with this. We got G-Tech on the bottom, on the sole. I don't know if that's because I'm moving like a G in these or what, but we got G-Tech. And honestly, I'm happy with this, Drake. I'm happy with this NOCTA. The box came mad late too. This was Black Friday and we're opening on Christmas morning. But I'm happy with this. All right, so here's the on feet.